In this video, we are going to prove that integral of the x divided by a squared plus s squared equals to 1 over a tan inverse of x over a plus c. At first, we say let x equals to a tan theta. Then let's square both sides. We have s squared equals to a squared tan square theta. Let's call this equation 1, also this equation 2. Then let's differentiate the x. Our the x d theta equals to a differentiating of tan, that was sec square theta. Let's make the x out of formula. We have the x equals to a sec square theta d theta, equation 3. Then what else do we need? Then from equation 1, you can simply make our theta the sort of what of the formula. We are having x equals to a tan theta. Divide both sides by what? By a. We have x over a equals to tan theta. Make theta the sort of the formula. We are having theta equals to arctan x over a. Call this equation 3, equation 4 rather. Then we can simply replace our the x with a sec square theta d theta and our x square with what? A square tan square theta. So we are having integral. What's our the x? That will be what? A sec square theta d theta, all divided by what's our a square? You put it down, plus s square. S square is simply a square tan square theta d theta. Okay, we have the theta here, right? Here we have a square in common. You can simply factorize our a square so that we are having a sec square theta d theta divided by a square into bracket 1 plus tan square theta. Then here a can cancel here, so that we are having 1 over a integral of sec square theta d theta divided by what? A into bracket 1 plus tan square theta. Recall from our trigonometric identity, we know that sec square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta, so that we can easily replace our 1 plus tan square theta. You can replace it with sec square theta. This integral will change to 1 over a integral of sec square theta d theta divided by what? Divided by 1 plus tan square theta, which is also the same as 1 over a integral of sec square theta d theta divided by what? 1 plus tan square theta is what? That's sec square theta. This cancel this, so that we are having 1 over a integral of d theta. If we integrate d theta, that's what? That's 1 over a theta plus c, right? Then what's the value of our theta? Our theta is simply what? Theta equals to arctan x over a. Then let's replace arctan x over a with this. So the final answer is what? 1 over a. What's our theta? That's what? Arctan x over a plus c, which is also the same thing as what? As this. So we are simply proved that integral of the x over a square plus s square is equals to 1 over a arctan x over a plus c. Thanks for watching.